Hello, and welcome to my channel, where I share with you the best tips and tricks on how to make money online from the comfort of your home in Nigeria. If you're a student, a professional, or anyone who wants to earn some extra income online, then this video is for you. Did you know that there are over 200 million internet users in Nigeria, and that number is growing every year? That means there are millions of opportunities for you to make money online, whether it's by selling your skills, your products, or your knowledge. But how do you find these opportunities? How do you avoid scams and frauds? And how do you make sure you get paid for your work? That's what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to reveal to you the top 5 ways to make money online from the comfort of your home in Nigeria and how you can get started today. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Alright, let's get started. The first way to make money online from the comfort of your home in Nigeria is by freelancing. Freelancing is when you offer your services to clients online, such as writing, graphic design, web development, video editing, transcription, translation, and more. You can find freelance jobs online on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and more. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a skill that people are willing to pay for. The best part about freelancing is that you can set your own rates, choose your own hours, and work on projects that interest you. You can also work with clients from all over the world and earn in foreign currencies. The downside of freelancing is that it can be competitive and inconsistent. You have to constantly market yourself and bid for jobs. You also have to deal with clients who may be difficult or unreliable. And you have to pay taxes on your income. But if you're willing to put in the work and deliver quality results, freelancing can be a great way to make money online from the comfort of your home in Nigeria. The second way to make money online from the comfort of your home in Nigeria is by blogging. Blogging is when you create a website where you share your thoughts, opinions, experiences, or knowledge on a specific topic or niche. You can blog about anything that interests you, such as fashion, beauty, travel, health, fitness, education, entertainment, sports, politics, and more. You can also blog about your personal life or hobbies. You can monetize your blog by displaying ads, selling products or services, promoting affiliate offers, or accepting donations. The best part about blogging is that it allows you to express yourself and build an audience that trusts and likes you. The downside of blogging is that it takes time and effort to create quality content and drive traffic to your blog. You also have to deal with technical issues such as hosting, domain name registration, security, and maintenance. And you have to pay taxes on your income. But if you're passionate about your topic and willing to learn and grow as a blogger, blogging can be a rewarding way to make money online from the comfort of your home in Nigeria. The third way to make money online from the comfort of your home in Nigeria is by creating and selling digital products. Digital products are any products that can be delivered electronically via email or download link. Examples of digital products are ebooks, courses, software, apps, games, music, videos, podcasts, and more. You can create and sell digital products online on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Udemy, Teachable, Shopify, Gumroad, and more. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a skill or knowledge that people are willing to pay for. The best part about creating and selling digital products is that you can create them once and sell them multiple times. You don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. You can also scale your income by reaching more customers and creating more products. The downside of creating and selling digital products is that it can be challenging and time-consuming to create quality products that stand out from the competition. You also have to market your products and convince people to buy them. And you have to pay taxes on your income. But if you're creative and have something valuable to offer to your target market, creating and selling digital products can be a lucrative way to make money online from the comfort of your home in Nigeria. The fourth way to make money online from the comfort of your home in Nigeria is by starting a YouTube channel. YouTube is the world's largest video sharing platform where you can upload videos on any topic or niche that interests you. You can make videos about anything that interests you, such as comedy, music, education, gaming, beauty, cooking, vlogging, and more. You can also make videos about your personal life or hobbies. You can monetize your YouTube channel by displaying ads, selling merchandise, promoting affiliate offers, or getting sponsored deals. The best part about starting a YouTube channel is that it allows you to showcase your personality and talent and build a loyal fan base that loves and supports you. The downside of starting a YouTube channel is that it requires a lot of equipment, such as a camera, microphone, lighting, editing software, and more. You also have to create quality videos that attract and retain viewers. And you have to comply with YouTube's policies and guidelines. But if you're passionate about your niche and willing to learn and improve as a YouTuber, starting a YouTube channel can be a fun and profitable way to make money online from the comfort of your home in Nigeria. The fifth and final way to make money online from the comfort of your home in Nigeria is by becoming an influencer. An influencer is someone who has a large and engaged following on social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and more. An influencer is someone who can influence the opinions, behaviors, or purchases of their followers. You can become an influencer in any niche that interests you, such as fashion, beauty, travel, fitness, lifestyle, entertainment, and more. You can also become an influencer in your personal brand or niche. You can monetize your influence by collaborating with brands, promoting products or services, or creating your own products or services. The best part about becoming an influencer is that it allows you to connect with your audience and share your passion and expertise with them. The downside of becoming an influencer is that it can be hard and competitive to grow and maintain a large and engaged following. You also have to deal with negative comments, trolls, or haters, and you have to be authentic and transparent with your audience. But if you're confident and have something unique and valuable to offer to your niche, becoming an influencer can be a rewarding way to make money online from the comfort of your home in Nigeria. So there you have it. And if you want to learn more about how to make money online from the comfort of your home in Nigeria, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.